I'm Santina with WTI. If you are looking to trim some of your trees, I have got a tool for you. This is the WORX pole saw, and I think it works fabulously. As you can see in the video, it's super fast and it really will get your branches down in no time. But it also has some really great features. So one thing I really like is how adjustable it is. You have a multi-height adjustment system, so you can really get to those very tall branches in your trees. And you also can adjust the head as well for what angle you need. So that's super useful. You've got your oil container and you have a peak so you can see where you are for your oil. And you have this interchangeable battery. All of these WORX tools use the same battery. So if you have several in your home and you run out of battery, you can just run and grab your one from your charger and you're good to go for some more time. So that is an excellent feature as well. I think this works incredibly and I hope it's going to work well for you too, and that's my point of view.